Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add blockchain network on your MetaMask wallet. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the MetaMask wallet and already logged in, and now right after that, once you open it, you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the MetaMask wallet apps on the screen, where you can see the Ethereum main network at the top of this dashboard. Simply tap on that Ethereum main network, and now you can see the add network at the bottom of the screen. So once you tap on it, you will be redirected to the network space, where you can see two options. First one is popular and another one is custom networks. So in popular you can see lots of default network, but you cannot find the blockchain network. So what you can do is simply tap on the custom networks, and let's add the network name first. And make sure you take a screenshot, and finally once you complete it, just tap in the add, which is at the bottom of this screen, and confirm it, and finally tap on the switch to network, and you will be able to add blockchain network successfully. So basically this is how you can add blockchain network on your MetaMask wallet app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.